Hi, I'm Chad.
Hi, I'm Branka, and this is Hannah.
Hi.
And today we are going to be showing you Superdrug's Colourful Clown Halloween look.
This is one of our advanced looks. Set aside a little bit of extra time or give yourself a practice run before. I've already prepped Hannah's skin with the Barry M All Night Long Full Coverage Foundation for an extra lasting effect. I've just gone in and highlighted the highest points of the cheeks, and we're ready for our next step. For this look, we're going to be using the Barry M Circle Sparkle Gems. Before you start the next step, you want to go in and just measure. If you carefully place over the face, and you can see exactly where the colours you need to place. For the next step, we're going to be using the Barry M Metallic Eyeshadows. These are fantastic. They blend super easily. We're going to start off with our beautiful yellow. I'm using a small fluffy eyeshadow brush, and we're going to start in the corners of the eyes. And you're going to exaggerate upwards. Following the colours of the gem, we're going to next move on to an orange eyeshadow, and you're going to work this in. Once you've done that, our next shade is red. So all you're doing is mimicking the colours of the beautiful gems that we're going to be using. Don't be afraid to go back in and do a little bit of layering of products just to get a little bit more depth. Next shade is pink. Next, we're going to go in with a beautiful purple. Don't forget to use the width of your brush as a guide. And we're going to just keep it a little bit tighter in the inner corners to complete the shape. I'm going back in with the eyeshadows and blending in a little bit more to get extra depth. To check how you're getting on, go back in with your gems, place them over, and you can see everything lines up beautifully. We are using a blue from the Barry M Paradise palette in shade 3. On top of the arch of the brow, we're going to take the eyeshadow a little bit higher to achieve a diamond shape. Repeat the same on the bottom. We're going to take it a little bit lower. Don't go too low. Stop across the mouth. Any lower, it's not going to sit correctly. Next, we're ready to go in with green, which is shade 11. Finally, we're going to mix the yellow and the green together to achieve a super bright lime green. I've just gone back in over the eyeshadows to emphasize the color a little bit more, and we are ready to go with our eyeliner. I'm going to use the Barry M On Point. It's fantastic. It's got a really nice neat point, and we're going to do a flick. You're going to start in the center. I'm using the thickness of this beautiful eyeliner for measurement. We're going to do a little dot where we want to aim for, and you're going to join them up. I'm going in with the Barry M Waterproof On Point Liner on the bottom lashes. This is just to emphasize the eyes and really make sure they stand out with so much glitter on. I'm going to be using the Barry M Las Vegas No. 2 mascara. We're going to do 2 coats, nice zigzag movements. I always start from top and work my way up to make sure I really coat every single lash evenly. Now ready for the fun part, we're going to use Barry M Circle Sparkle Gems. They are pre-glued, so be very gentle in removing them off the sheet. We're going to stick these above Hannah's eyebrows. We're going to use the corner of the eyebrow as our base and high above the arch. Make sure your colours are matching up well. Once you're ready, place them down. And you're going to go as close as you can comfortably to your eyeliner. Place the center, slightly arch it up so it's a little bit at an angle. Now that I've completed both of the eyes, we're going to match up each eyeshadow with a matching glitter from Barry M. I'm going to use a loose eyeshadow brush, and we're going to just pop that as an extension of the little drops of gems. I'm now ready to go in with the Barry M glitter in Carnival Queen. We're going to use the same eyeshadow brush, and you're going to just gently extend the beautiful gems you have there. We're going to follow on with a beautiful red in the shade Wild Child. For a neutral transition colour that I highly recommend is Fanfare. We're going to use this as a mixture. It's super holographic and looks beautiful on top of any of the shades. To glam up our colourful clown, we're going to be using the Barry M Bombshell lipstick. Now that the lips are complete, we're going to go in with a Bombshell lipstick using the same lip brush, and we're going to create a super cute nose. Next step, we're going to go back in with our Barry M On Point eyeliner, and we're going to just outline the nose. Final touch, we're going to use the Barry M Waterproof Bold eyeliner in shade white. We're going to use a waterline first. Final touch, we're going to do a cute little highlight on the tip of our nose.
I think you guys will agree that the makeup looks amazing. Now it's time to take it up another level with the hair. We're going to apply a little bit of the Style Expertise Salt Spray all the way through Hannah's hair, which you can already see she's got a great texture just from her tongue that's achieved. Nothing majorly done, just super natural because it's all going to go up. But that little bit of texture in the hair will really help you to work with it. You're going to lift the hair and spritz the product through just to give that full coverage and to create that texture that then as you're lifting the hair up, means that it will stay in place, but also that you can work with it. Use your fingers to get right into the hair, because that will just mean that the whole thing's binded together and that you won't have to put as much work in when it comes to putting the hair up. So I've applied a little bit of padding to Hannah's hair just to give it that extra bit of volume. You can do this look with or without. You're just going to lightly tease the hair, place the hair over the padding and pin. If you're doing it without, you'll do exactly the same. Lightly tease the hair, just take some sections, make the shape you want, and then you're going to pin the hair again. Now that I've finished pinning the hair up, I'm going to use the Superdrug Firm Hold Hairspray just to set the style and make sure that it lasts all night long. So now we are done. Hannah, I can't wait to see you in your outfit. It's time to send you to go get dressed.
That's our colourful clown look complete. Head over to the Superdrug YouTube channel for more tutorials.